Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Long?
Yes.
Okay, that is good. Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay, very good. So, Long, how are you today? Are you good? Are you happy?
Happy.
Okay, that's great. So, are you ready to start? Are you ready to
Yes.
start? Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay, there. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, that is good. Okay, now, okay, before we start, let's have a review. Okay. Okay, Long, can you read this one, please? Can you read
Yes.
this?
Yes.
Very good. Once more, brush my teeth. Can you say, brush my teeth?
Brush your teeth.
Very good. How about this one? Can you read this one? Okay, can you read this one, Long?
Okay.
Can you read this one? What is that? Hello, Long. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Long? Okay, Long. Can you read this one?
No.
What is this?
What my face?
Again? Okay, very good. This is wash my face. And
Okay.
how about this one, Long? Can you read this one? How about this one? Can you read this one?
What your teeth?
This one. Can you
Ooh.
see this one?
Ah.
How about this one? Can you read this one?
Got a bite.
Very good. How about this one?
Put on your toe.
Okay, put on shoes. How about this one? It's
Hi.
play. Okay, later on we will gonna play. Okay, here. How about this one? What is this?
Da.
Very good. Dance. Do you dance, Long? Do you know
And
how to dance?
yeah.
Yes, wow, so you are a dancer. Very good. How about this one? What is this? Can you read this one? What is
Uh,
this?
join.
It's paint. Can you say paint? Can you say paint?
Hey.
Hello? Very good. How about this one? Can you read this one?
The wind.
We can swim. Do you know how to swim, Mom? Do you know how to swim?
Yeah.
Yes, that is good. Okay, now let's have this one. Okay, we have example here. Okay, now let's have this one. Okay, let's answer this one. Okay, it's you do this in the bathroom. You use soap and water. What is that?
The wind.
What is that?
The
Uh,
wind.
is that do you swim at the bathroom? Do you swim at the bathroom? Do you use soap and water? What is this? Can you read this one? What
Yeah.
can you read this one? What is this? It's the answer. It's what is this?
Face.
Very good. It's wash my face. Do you wash your face, Long? Do you wash your face?
Yes.
That's good. Okay, how about this one? Okay. Okay, can you read this one, please? Can you read this one, please?
For to the music day for her.
They move their arms and legs. Can you say they move their arms and legs?
They are for leg.
Okay, can you read that properly, please? Okay, here. People do this. Go. People do this.
Because the
Again, one more time. Can you repeat after me? Look at my mouth. People do this. Can you say, please? People do this.
like people to
With music. Can you say with music?
wish.
Long, hello. Okay,
Yeah.
can you read this one, please? People do
They
this.
do the music. They
They
and
move their arms and legs.
they walk them on the leg.
Very good. How about Long? Okay, what is that? People do this with music. They move their arms and
Done.
very good, Long. It's dance. Yes, that is correct. It's dance. Okay, very good. Because of that, I will give you chocolate. This one is for you. Okay, now do you like chocolate? Do you love chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is for you all. Okay, how about you, Long? Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, here. Yes, or we can say,
And
yeah, we can also say, yes, I like to dance.
Yes, I do them.
Very good. Okay, look at number 2. Can you read this one, please? Can you read this one, please?
So
What is that?
have that to sing.
Go. You can do that. You can do that. Go on. Go on. Read that one. Okay. Can you read this one, please? People do this. Go. People
do sound
in the pool.
in the cool.
They move in the water.
They move in the water.
Again, one more time. Can you read that by yourself, please? Go. What is that? Read number 2.
They move in the water.
Okay, they move in the water. Very good. How about the first sentence? This one. How about this one? People do this.
People today
in a pool.
In the pool.
They move in the water. Can you say, they move in the water?
They move in the water.
Very good. What is that? What is that? Okay, Long. People do this in a pool. They move in the water. What is that? What is that? What is your answer? They move in the water. What is that?
Swimming.
Yes, swimming, or we can say swim. Very good. Dance and swim. Do you like to swim, Long?
Yeah.
Do you like to swim?
Yeah.
Wow, so you know how to swim?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, that just like that. So, do you, if you will go to the beach, you will going to swim? Like, are you going to swim faster or swim slow?
One.
Faster? You will go swim faster?
Dog.
Slow? You will go swim slow? Okay. Okay, how about this one? Can you read this one, Long? Can you read number 3? Okay, here. Can you read this one, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
You can do is
This
the penguin do well.
with your friends. You can do this in the playground with your friends.
With your friend.
It's good fun. One more time, can you read it by yourself, please?
No.
No, please. Can you read it by yourself, please?
Can you do in the
Playground.
ground?
Okay, you can do this. Okay, one more time. You can do this in the playground with your friends.
You can do this in the playground.
With your friends. Can
In
you
your
say,
friend.
it's good fun? Okay, what is that, Long? Again, I will read that one more time. You can do this in the playground with your friends. It's good fun. What is that? What do you think is that?
Playing.
Yes, very good. It's played. Very good, Long. Because of that, I will give you cupcake. Wow, you did a very amazing, Long. This cupcake is yours. Do you eat cupcake? Do you eat cupcake, Long? No? Yes, do you eat cupcake? Do you eat cupcake, Long?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's have number 4. Again, let's have number 4. Okay, here. Can you read number 4, please? Can you read number 4, please?
The background. We can do this again and do.
Okay, one more time. You do this. Go one more time. You do this in the bathroom. Okay, one more time. Go. You can do that. You
Do
do
that.
this
Yo, this
in the bathroom.
in the bathroom.
You make your teeth. Go. You make your teeth
You make the cheese.
clean and white.
Mommy, your wife.
Okay, one more time. One more time long. Okay, here. You do this in the bathroom.
You did it in the bathroom.
Okay, very good. You make your teeth clean and white.
You do it and white.
Very good, Long. Okay, what is that? Again, I will read that for you. You do this in the bathroom. You make your teeth clean and white. What is that? What is
Okay.
that? Again, what is that?
Laying.
It's. What is that? You do this in the bathroom. You make your teeth clean and white. What is that? You do like this. What is that? You do this in the bathroom. Like just like that. What is that? What is that from? Side, side, up, down, side, side, up, down. What is that? What is this? Look at this one. Can you read this one?
Get your teeth.
Very good. It's brush my teeth. Again, it's brush my teeth. Okay, can you show me how do you brush your teeth? Can you show me? How do you brush your teeth? Up, down, up, down. Okay, do you brush your teeth properly? Do you brush your teeth properly?
No.
No? Why? Yes? Do you brush your teeth properly?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay, here we can say, I brush my teeth.
My face.
Properly. There. Okay, can you read this one long?
Yes.
Okay, go. Can you read that one, please? I brush my teeth properly. Can you do that? Can you read this one, please? Again. I brush my teeth properly. Can you do this? Okay, very good. Now let's have number 5, the last number. Okay, here. Okay, Long, can you read this one, please? Can you read that?
In the butt up
Okay.
not go to the vendor.
Okay, one more time. People do this
to
in the park
in the park
or street.
or field.
It's not good to go very fast.
Vendor.
One more time, can you read? Can you do that? Can you read by yourself, please? People. Go, people
People
do this
they
in the park
in the park
or street.
or field.
It's not good
It's not good
to go very fast.
and all very fast.
Okay, what is that?
What is that?
What is that, Long? People do this in the park. Okay, it's not good to go very fast. What is that, Long? What do you think is that?
Playing.
Playing? What is that? What do you think is that? Is that play? Is that play?
Yes.
Okay, I think, okay, hold on. Can you read this one? Can you read this one?
Yeah.
Okay, Long, can you read this one?
Yes.
Okay, what is your answer? Okay, can you read this one, please?
Yeah. Yeah, the bike.
Very good. It's ride a bike.
Ride a bike.
Again, it's ride a bike. Okay, Long. I think our time is running out, so we will gonna continue this in our next lesson, okay? But you did good today. Thank you for answering those questions, okay?
Bye.
Okay, bye Long. Have a good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.